Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, we're going to be talking about shooting a 3 lights beauty editorial with speed lights. If you think it's something you're going to be interested in, I suggest you stay to the end of the video. Let's roll the intro. So today we'll be shooting a 3 lights beauty editorial with speed lights, and I have Najat here as the model, and Coffee Session on styling plus art directing, and Joseph is going to be on makeup duty. Lucky enough, Canva's backdrops here in Ghana sent us a couple of backdrops to choose from the shoot, so we ended up choosing this warm tone color as it complemented the look we were going for. I'm going to put the links in the description down below so you can check them out if you want. I'm going to be using my Canon 6D Mark I with 3 Godox speed lights. I'm going to be using a 120cm octabox from Photodiox. I did a review on one of these Easy Pro deep octas from Photodiox. You can check the link. I'm going to put a link somewhere in the video so you can check it out later on. The main light is going to be in front of the model, obviously, and I'm going to just shift it slightly towards camera left. But the rim light is going to be behind and to the right, opposite of the main light. And I'm going to adjust that till I find a perfect spot. But I'm going to shift it towards camera right, just so we can add a little bit of separation. In order to add even more separation, we added a third light, and that is right behind the model, but positioned in such a way that we don't see it in the frame. It's aimed towards the backdrop, and this is just adding a little bit of light, allowing some vignettes to form at the edges of the frame, adding or pulling your eyes towards the center part of the frame. We wanted a bit of a fiery look, hence the choice of the warm colors ranging from the headgear to the lipstick and the background. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications icon if you haven't, so you're notified when I release the videos on how I retouch these particular images. And I'm going to put a link in that video also, which would allow you to download the raw file so you can follow along when I'm retouching. So I placed the main light with a speed light above and about 4 feet away from the model. I angled it down towards the model at about 45 degrees. The rim light was placed behind the model, and position and power setting was adjusted till I got the light where I needed it to be. I'll take a test shot and see how this looks. Well, this could pass for a decent shot, but we wanted to go a step further, and that is why we added a third light behind the model, graded it to prevent the loss of light spill, but rather focus the light right in the middle. I'll add another image here so you can see the difference between the one without the light on the backdrop and the one with the light on the backdrop. So this is without the third light. Now this is with the third light. For this, I wanted a bit of a dreamy or blurry background to balance out the rather powerful, fierce and edgy expression we made the model portray with her poses. This required that I shoot about f2.8 on my Canon 85 1.8 lens, and the other camera settings were I think 1/160 of the shutter speed and ISO 100. So yeah, all we had to do now, knowing that the lighting was exactly how we wanted, she was positioned at the exact place where we wanted her to. All we wanted her to do now was try a few poses, still trying to pull out the edgy, fierce look from her, and taking several shots till we got what we wanted. So yeah, with 3 lights or with 3 speed lights, we've been able to shoot a 3 light beauty editorial on a budget. I'm saying it's on a budget because we're using speed lights, because generally you'd want to use studio strobes or something a little bit more powerful for shoots like these. But if you have speed lights and you don't have those, you can equally create amazing images, and that is why we made this video, just so you know that you can create amazing images with whatever tool that you have. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a like, as this helps us create more content. Go berserk on the subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.